In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a user account in Smartsheet as an admin. If you need to remove someone's access to Smartsheet, it's important to do it carefully so you don't accidentally disrupt important work. Before you deactivate an account, you'll want to make sure any sheets, reports, dashboards, or other key items owned by that person are handled properly. That way, your team can keep working without interruptions after the account is turned off. To begin, sign in to Smartsheet using an account that has admin access. This is important because standard users won't be able to manage other user accounts or make changes in the admin center. Once you're logged in, look for the admin center and open it. This is where you'll manage users and adjust account level settings. Inside the admin center, go to User Management. This section shows the users connected to your Smartsheet organization and gives you the tools to review their status, permissions, and access. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, find the account you want to deactivate. If your organization has a large number of users, it may help to use the search or filtering tools to quickly locate the correct account. Be careful to select the right user, especially if there are similar names or multiple accounts with related details. Before deactivating the user, transfer ownership of any important items they manage. This step is essential. If the person owns critical sheets, reports, or dashboards, those items should be reassigned first so other team members can continue accessing and maintaining them. Skipping this step could create confusion or delay work for your team, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once ownership has been transferred, go ahead and deactivate or remove the user account, depending on what best fits your organization's needs. Deactivating is typically a good option if you want to block access while still retaining a record of the account. Removing the account may be appropriate if it's no longer needed at all. Follow the prompts in Smartsheet to confirm the action. After that, confirm that the user no longer has access. You can do this by checking their account status in User Management and making sure the change was applied successfully. This final review helps ensure the process is complete and that your Smartsheet environment stays secure and organized. And that's how to deactivate a user account in Smartsheet as an admin.